So the mirrors have arrived, well packaged. Looks like good quality. Oh, the back is stuck. Got the heat element bits in there and the connectors. Yeah, plastic looks okay. Let's hope it fits. Oh, I just managed to put my fingers inside and it unclipped on one side. Just looking to unclip it on the other side now. Okay. Doesn't have the heat elements on mine. There's a resistor there and stuff. Ah, there they are. Okay. There they are. Okay, looks like these are aftermarket after all. Just didn't like the fact they were corroded on the side here. A little bit. So I'm going to attempt to install these now. I was going to do it tomorrow, but seems like a quick job. I just don't know. I guess the wires don't matter which way they go. Yeah, it looks good. I'm not too keen on this line here. Would have preferred if it looked OEM, but hey. So, some previous pillock thought it was okay to just break off the connectors. Just gonna get a pair of pliers to remove them. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Just a pair of pliers, pull them out. Here's the old connectors. Put them back in. They look like the wrong size, but just use a bit of pliers to pinch them. Let's see what happens. Yeah, just clipped right in. Sorry, only had one hand and I needed two hands to do it, so I couldn't film it, but just literally just clipped in. It's perfect. Looks okay.